Hello lovelies, welcome back once again. Please subscribe if you are new here. So today we are going to prepare our coconut rice, and our main ingredient is our coconut and rice. So please let's get into it. So first of all, I steamed my chicken. So I'll be using the chicken stock in cooking the coconut rice. So I got my fresh coconuts, grated it and placed it in my blender, and I blended very well. So I strained out the juice from the coconut after blending it, as you can see me doing it. Yes, so this is the coconut after blending. So I strained it, and this is the water I'll be using. You can as well use your coconut water in can. They are all good to go. So after straining my juice, I placed some oil on fire, put in my rice, and I sauteed this for a while. Yes, this is to make the rice cook so nice. This is my chicken stock after steaming my chicken. So after sauteing the rice, I poured in my coconut milk, and I later on added the chicken stock, added some salt to taste. After I covered the rice, left it on fire to be cooked. As the rice was on fire, my chicken is ready to be fried. My coconut rice was ready, so I added some veggies to it and mixed it together with the rice very well, and it was ready to serve. Bet me, if you try this recipe, you're gonna love it. It's so nice and delicious. Please try this at home and you will love it. The end result was so nice. This was my fried chicken, so it was served with gravy sauce, my chicken, and some salad. It was so nice. Please try this at home. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Be here for more.